How fast can you earn a college degree with degree hacking? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, how fast can you earn a college degree with degree hacking compared to how long does it take to earn a degree, the traditional approach, the college, university, 4-year approach, right? Now, the first thing I want to point out is that colleges, universities have been advertising to us that it takes 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree and 2 more years to earn a master's and 2 years after that to earn a doctorate degree. And then there's law school and medical school and all those things, right? We've been told for so long that that's how long it takes to earn a degree. Now, this little secret that's hidden from us by colleges and universities is that it doesn't actually take 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, the average student that jumps through all the hoops colleges and universities ask us to jump through, sitting in classrooms, doing homework, all this stuff, the average student takes between 5 and 8 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Okay, so not 4 years, between 5 and 8 years, depending on the school. Okay, that's not 4 years, right? It's not what we've been told. Most students, a majority of students, take longer than 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree. And then master's degrees roll around, and most students take longer than 2 years to get that additional master's degree. This is something that colleges and universities kind of have on the down low. They don't want us to know about this because we'll be less likely to enroll in school if we know that it's a greater time and financial commitment than what they're telling us, right? Now, throw that aside. Colleges and universities have been telling us all this for years and years and years, that it takes 4 years to earn a degree. Now, with degree hacking, and if you don't know what degree hacking is, subscribe to the channel. There's tons of videos where I talk about degree hacking, but it's essentially a faster way to get the exact same college degree. With degree hacking, what I encourage people that I'm helping to do, I encourage them to shoot for one class per week. Okay, what this means is to completely finish one college class, a 3 or a 4 credit class, completely finish one class every single week. Now, one class, 3 or 4 credits, that means 4 weeks, that's an entire semester. So yes, I encourage people that I'm helping with degree hacking to complete one semester of college per month. Okay, that sounds really fast, but the reality is that people that I help have normal lives, okay, jobs and families and all this stuff. If they're putting 15 to 20 hours a week into school, they still have other time for the rest of their lives, and they're still able to complete a class a week. Now, to get a bachelor's degree, that's about 40 classes, okay? 40 classes. And it obviously depends on the degree you're getting, but most college degrees are about 40 classes, okay? So if you do quick math, one class a week, that leads to 40 weeks to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, I encourage most people that I help to shoot for one class a week, but to plan for under 1 year, okay? Because if you're going to college for a year, you've got Christmas break, you've got 4th of July, you've got, I need a week off for this, I need 3 days off for that. We have life, right? So, a realistic amount of time to expect to graduate is, I always say, as little as 6 to 12 months, but I encourage most people that I work with to shoot for 12 months, okay? So anywhere between that 9 and 12 month range is pretty normal. This is for people with lives and with jobs and with families, okay? If you are in a situation where you don't have children, you're not working full time, you can expect to do more and to do it faster, okay? So in that case, it's absolutely possible to earn a bachelor's degree in as little as 6 months. So that's kind of my range. This video, I wanted to answer the question, how long does it take to earn a bachelor's degree with degree hacking? My answer is with no life obligations, okay, with not tons of bills to pay, you're not working full time, you don't have children to feed, you can absolutely do it in as little as 6 months. If you have a family and a job and you have lots of obligations in life, then as little as 12 months is absolutely doable, absolutely possible. Now, if you're thinking, let's say you start degree hacking and it's taking you a little bit longer because you're really, really busy. What if it took you, instead of 12 months, 18 months to earn a bachelor's degree? That's slow for students that I'm helping, okay? If you take your time, that's still so much faster than the average 5 to 8 years that it takes to sit down and jump through all the hoops colleges and universities lay before us. If you've followed my channel at all, you know that degree hacking makes it so that you don't have to jump through all those hoops. You can basically, for every single class, skip to the finish line, study for a single test, and test out of a class. If you'd like to learn how to do that, if you'd like to learn the process of degree hacking, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. You can click on that link, watch a free training where I will walk you through the step-by-step process that I used to earn an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. Click the link in the description, or you can go to diplomasecrets.com, diplomasecrets.com. That's another place you can find that free training. I'll leave the link below. If you want to learn more about degree hacking, you've got to subscribe to the channel because I teach all sorts of cool college hacks all the time that will help you save a lot of money and a lot of time in getting that college degree. Hope this video has helped, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you in the next video.